Hey there, welcome to our channel, your go-to channel for insightful discussions. If you enjoy what you hear today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You could even own 20% of our revenue. So join us on this journey. Brainy Thinks presents 10 signs someone lacks common sense. Common sense. It's that knack for using your own judgment to navigate life's complexities. But as they say, common sense isn't so common. Let's dive into 10 telltale signs that someone might be lacking in this department. Number 1, they believe everything they hear without questioning it. Ever met someone who swallows every story hook, line, and sinker? They never seem to question even the wildest claims. In today's world of misinformation, this can be a risky stance. Number 2, they have trouble thinking critically. Critical thinking is crucial. Yet some struggle to grasp even basic concepts. They might jump to conclusions without considering facts or logic, often making impulsive decisions that backfire. Number 3, their ideas are often illogical. Their arguments just don't add up. They might cling to superstitions or unfounded beliefs, failing to see the rational side of things. Number 4, they see things as black and white. For them it's either this way or that, no shades of gray. This rigidity can make it hard to see different perspectives or find common ground. Number 5, they are unable to come up with solutions to problems. Problem solving becomes a challenge when you lack common sense. Their solutions might miss the mark or create more confusion than clarity. Number 6, they won't seek help or direction when they need it. Stubborn independence or fear of appearing ignorant. They'd rather go it alone even when out of their depth. Number 7, they make the same mistakes over and over. Ever notice someone who repeats the same blunders? It's not that they don't want to learn, it's that they can't see where they went wrong. Number 8, they're incapable of understanding sarcasm, humor, or irony. Ever cracked a joke that fell flat? Some just don't pick up on sarcasm or subtleties, they take things at face value. Number 9, they talk about inappropriate topics. They might discuss taboo subjects at the wrong time or place, unaware of social norms or appropriateness. Number 10, they choose to be ignorant. Knowledge is power, but some opt to remain in the dark. Ignoring facts or refusing to learn can lead to misguided decisions and missed opportunities. In conclusion, recognizing these signs can help us navigate interactions and offer better guidance to those who might benefit from a nudge in the right direction. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.